Flowers to your apartment. You said you weren't around much anymore. No, I stopped dropping by without an appointment. 'Cause I heard laughter coming through your door. Sometimes late at night you still call me before you close your eyes. But that's a promise I can't keep, 'cause I love you too much to ever start liking you. Let's leave the story at an end. I love you too much to ever start liking you. So don't expect me to be your friend. No, you act so happy when I see you. Yeah. You smile and take my hand. Introduce me to your latest lover. Yeah. That's when the walls start crashing in. 'Cause I love you too much to ever stop liking you. Let's leave the story at an end. Yeah, I love you too much to ever stop liking you. So don't expect me to be your friend. No, no, no. Well, baby, flowers to your appointment. You said you weren't around much anymore. No, I stopped dropping by without an appointment. 'Cause I heard laughter from your door. Sometimes late at night you still call